Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some smart LED light bulbs. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some smart LED light bulbs from the company Nooie. And the great thing about these smart LED light bulbs is you guys can actually use them with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can make potentially 16 million different colors with the application. So there's so many features that this smart LED light bulb has to offer. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this smart LED light bulb, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that just keeps me informed and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message if you want to work with us, or if you guys need any photo assistance, you guys can contact me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, there'll be information, also the link to purchase this product down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about this smart LED light bulb. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the front of the box, there's a few specifications and details about this product as I spin it around. So what we're going to do is actually take this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, you guys can see there's a picture of the LED light bulb, and this is Nooie Aurora. It's a smart LED multicolor bulb, and in our case, we actually have two of them in this packaging. On this side, you guys can see there's a few specifications and details about these smart LED light bulbs. Let's flip it onto the back side, and you guys can see there's some warnings and cautions, which I do recommend you guys take a pause and read if you're interested. And then on this side, we have some lighting facts. I really like how they did that because it looks like as if it's a food item, but you guys can see there's a few different facts about these light bulbs. So all that's left to do is actually proceed to open up the box and take a look inside. We're instantly greeted with the user manual that you guys need to use to actually set up this product, and it actually kind of expands like this. I'm going to show you guys on this camera angle, but I do recommend you guys read this user manual to get more information and details about this smart LED light bulb. And then next up, all you need to do is pull this up, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the light bulbs inside. And I'm going to pull them out, and they're kind of in this plastic bag, which I'm going to pull out. But you guys can see this is how one of the light bulbs look like. We do get Nooie on the side of the light bulb. And you guys can see it's just a standard, I think, E26 light bulb. And it does I like the design and overall shape of this light bulb. I'm going to put it off to the side and take a look at the second one. It just says the same thing, Nooie, and you guys can see the light bulb is clear and it has a very sophisticated design, which I really do like. And that's basically it for the box. What I'm going to do is actually move this box off to the side. But this is everything that's actually included with the packaging. So you just get the user manual and you get your two light bulbs. So all that's left to do now is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Now what we're going to do is actually test out these Nooie smart LED light bulbs. So you guys can see I took down the original LED light bulbs that used to be in my room, and what we're going to do now is actually replace them with two Nooie smart LED light bulbs. So let's actually get on and actually put these light bulbs in and give it a test. So I'm going to put one in right here, and we're going to put the other one on this side, and you guys can see this one's already flashing blue. And I think this one's going to do the same thing. So now they're both flashing blue. So what we need to do now is get onto the application. So right now you guys can see my phone screen. We're gonna go in and open up the Nooie application and actually connect these smart LED light bulbs to my application. So if we go into lights, click on add new device, click on add device, and click on Nooie smart lights, confirm that the blue light is flashing, and hopefully it's gonna connect both of these lights at the same time, but I am not sure. But we're gonna click on this, and it's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi credentials, so just type in your Wi-Fi password. And once you type in the Wi-Fi password, you can proceed, and you guys can see it's going on with the pairing installation. So now what we need to do is actually wait and see what happens after these smart LED light bulbs connect to the application. Yeah, it looks like these are ready to go. It says pairing successful, and all we need to do, it looks like the application is still loading, so let's just wait and see. Now it's asking me to name your light bulb. We're just gonna name this one test, click on save, and you guys can even add device sharing and share these smart LED light bulbs to a lot of other people if you want to. So you guys can see we have the two smart LED light bulbs connected right now. You guys can see, I'm pretty sure if I dim this, it's gonna dim it down, and if I do the same thing with the other one, they both dim. If I go in and increase the brightness, they're gonna increase brightness. You can go in and turn them on and off, so you guys can see now it's off. Turn them back on. One is on, the second one's on. They're both on at the same time. Now let's open up one of these. So you guys can see you can actually go in and manipulate the color temperature. So this one's the warmest setting you can go, and it's actually this one right here. And you can go in and make it the coolest setting. So this is the coolest it can go. I really like the CrewElite. You can increase the brightness like we were testing out earlier, or you can even click on these presets that they have on the top to your desired positioning. But for our case, I'm gonna keep it at the coolest you can go. If you swipe to the left, you guys can see this is where you get all your color options and all those tricks and fun stuff you can do with these smart LED light bulbs. I can go in and select any single color I want, you know? I can go in blue. It looks like I turned it off. Okay, there we go, it's back on. You can go in and select any color you want. So I can go green, I can go light blue, I can go dark blue, I can go magenta, pink, red, all sorts of various different colors. And I can go in and increase the saturation and the brightness of these LED light bulbs. So this is like a very, very hardcore, very neon green, I should say. It's like a neon green. You can go in and increase or decrease the brightness of that neon green light bulb. And yeah, it looks really nice. We also got some themes. So this one's focused. You guys can see it's kind of like a white kind of light. We got natural, which is kind of a warmer kind of shade of light. We got active, and you guys can see it looks really nice and presentable as I'm holding it up right now. We got calm, which is a peaceful kind of light. We got romantic, so you guys, if it's in the mood, you know, you can swap it to this theme and get the mood changed up real quick. You got cheerful, and I don't know if some of these actually change into various different colors. I'm pretty sure they do if I kept it longer, but we're gonna move on to playful. And you guys can see this is how playful looks like. It looks really nice. We got floating, and I'm pretty sure floating does kind of, yep, it does jump through to all the various different colors. So it's kind of like a party mode, and it looks really nice. So if you want to start a party, this theme right here would definitely be a good one to do. So it looks really good. And you can even set your own themes and customize and make your own little setups so you guys can configure and turn on at any given time. In addition to the themes, you guys can go back out. Let me click on the light bulb again. Go down. You guys can even go in and set schedules. So, but yeah, we can go in and actually, you know, customize the second one now. And I can swap the color to, you know, a nice kind of, I think I would say this is kind of like a sea foam blue, green, I don't know. But it looks really nice. I can go in, I can click on red. I can get a very deep kind of magenta. Look how deep that is. Holy cow. Let me just say that these smart LED light bulbs, the color does pop, and it makes it look so nice, and I have to give them for that, you know? The blues, and like as I'm going around this circle, the colors are so vibrant. Like I hope the colors making it doing it justice, but I'm not sure. Like even the oranges and the yellows, it looks so accurate. It actually looks like a yellow. Really, really nice, Nooie. I gotta give you guys that. Really, really nice indeed. But honestly, I think what we're gonna do now is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Nooie smart LED light bulb. Honestly, it's a fantastic LED light bulb. You guys can see the colors were very vibrant with this LED light bulb, but I honestly love all the features and also the customization that you guys can do with these smart LED light bulbs. There's so many features on the application itself that you guys can utilize and use to, you know, do all sorts of things with these smart LED light bulbs. And you guys can use these for parties and events to make, you know, a nice vibrant kind of colorful scheme or scene, I should say. And you know, it's just overall a very nice LED light bulb where the colors are very vibrant and the colors really pop out. But we are going to conclude this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about these smart LED light bulbs, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys enjoyed this video, after watching it, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just keeps me informed and updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Our social media accounts and links are always down below in the description for you guys to check out and follow if you want to stay connected or have a quicker way of reaching out to me. And then my business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message if you want to work with me, or if you guys want to contact me for photo assistance, you guys can do so with that email address. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this product, there will be a product link and also more information down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about these smart LED light bulbs, alongside with the link to purchase them if you guys are interested in making a purchase. But that is going to conclude our video on the Nooie smart LED light bulbs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you do those things I mentioned, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.